Hey, it's Owen from TOC Supplies, and we're here with the 2023 Sierra Denali behind me. It's time to clean the interior. After a Canadian winter, a lot of salt and grime inside. It's time to give it a good cleaning, and we're going to do some leather protection today. Two products we're going to use. Armor Detail Supply, new Pilot Interior Detailer. Great at cleaning, UV, anti-static prohibitors in it. Awesome new product that we're carrying here at TOC. And Diamond ProTech Leather Kit. Inside, you have everything you need to protect your leather. The leather is going to get protected for 12 months against anti-friction, anti-dye, anything that's basically going to stain your leather. This is going to protect it. So we're going to use these two products with our edgeless 365 towels from the Rag Company and some of our detail factory brushes. Let's get started. All right, so the first step in cleaning the interior is to make sure we get all the mats out. Once the mats come out, we're going to vacuum the interior out, give it a quick vacuum, just get some of that loose debris up. And then we'll start actually wiping down the panels and start cleaning them as we go. So let's get going. All right, so now we're inside the car. We got our vacuum ready to go. We got a couple of our detail brushes ready to go. We're gonna kind of work from our top down, try to get a lot of the dirt and out of the crevices and out of the vents and stuff as we work our way down, and we'll do the carpets last as we exit out. Okay, now that we've done a quick vacuum and got a lot of the debris out, now we can start doing the actual surface contact cleaning. So we're going to use Armor Detail Supply Pilot. This is their new interior detailer. Has great anti-static and anti-UV properties in it. You got two choices. You can spray it on the actual surface or spray it into your microfiber. This car is not that dirty. I'm actually just going to spray it into my Rag Company edgeless 365 towel and then start wiping down the surfaces. Okay, so now that we've got everything vacuumed out and wiped down with the Pilot interior detailer, now it's time to focus on the seats before we get ready for the preparation for the leather coating. So what we're going to use is still going to use Pilot interior detailer, but we're going to do a more thorough job cleaning the seats in terms of spraying it on the leather itself and using a detail factory brush to agitate, and then we're going to wipe it down to give a really good deep cleaning before we do the leather coating. Okay, now we're going to use the Diamond ProTech Leather Kit. Everything inside the box is exactly what you need to finish the leather coating. Comes with a leveling off towel, comes with the actual vial of leather protection, and it comes with an applicator sponge. Basically, we're going to do like any other ceramic coating. We're going to apply the coating on the applicator, crisscross pattern throughout the whole leather seat, let it fade off. If there's any high spots or anything like that, we're going to wipe it off with the leveling towel. We've already prepped the seat, so we're good to go. Okay, so now we're going to apply the diamond leather coating. Make sure you always give your product a good shake before you use it. We're going to open up the bottle and we're going to apply it onto the applicator that came in the kit. I'm going to put about 20 drops or so on that applicator, and then we're going to apply it to the actual leather seat. We're going to do like we do other leather coatings, or any coating basically. You're just going to do a cross hatch pattern, making sure you get the product on all of the leather surfaces. Cover them as well as you can. Every time we finish the seat panel, we're just going to reapply more product onto the applicator, making sure we have a nice wet sponge. And we're getting good even coverage on the whole seat. As I said before, this is going to give us 12 months of protection against basically dye transfer from blue jeans, friction transfer as you're getting in and out of the seat on these bolsters here. Really, it's just going to help rejuvenate and prolong the life of the leather in your car. Basically, when you're applying this coating, just make sure that you're being very monotonous and just making sure you're getting all of the areas, all the nooks and crannies inside the seat. Make sure you got good even coverage. After you apply this, we're going to go back to the driver's side seat and just make sure we don't have any, what we really call high spots. Make sure that there's nothing showing still. This coating should evaporate and just give you a nice matte look to your leather. But if you do see any shiny spots, that's potentially you have a high spot, and you want to make sure you get that off before the coating cures. Cure time for this coating, it'll take, I'd recommend staying off for about 8 hours or so from driving the vehicle. And even overnight if you can, actually would be even better. And make sure that you get your armrests. You're always resting your elbow and arm on here, and the oils from your skin will get onto this leather. Make sure you do this as well, which will help protect it as well. Okay, so there you have it. We just finished up the interior detail in this Sierra Denali. We used the Armor Detail Supply Pilot. We used the Diamond ProTech leather coating, vacuumed out the interior, wiped it all down, and coated the leather, all good for summer. Remember to check out tocsupplies.ca for all these products and more, and thanks for watching.